Hey friends, if you wish to test the Windows 11 microphone and hear yourself, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select sound. Now scroll down. It will show the input. See, here's the thing, when you're speaking, this bar will keep on moving and that is an indication that the microphone is working. But if you want a better option, then click on this forward pointing arrow here. Scroll down, there is an option to start test and the volume. Okay, so click on this and this is recording my sound, and then I'll click on stop test. To hear myself, I'll click on play, so I will become silent, and then I'll click on play. And this is recording my sound, and then I'll click. Okay, so it recorded my sound at 82%, which is good enough. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.